Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to make your Facebook profile private. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss an important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So in Facebook, you cannot actually set your profile into a private, but what you can do is to limit the audience that can see the different information that you have on your Facebook. And you can do this by following the steps that I am going to show you. So first, just head into a profile by tapping into the last icon that is located on the upper part of your screen. And after that, just tap into the settings and privacy, and under the results, just tap into the settings. And after doing so, what you need to do is to tap into the privacy checkup under the tools and resources. So again, just tap onto that, and what you need to do next is to tap into who can see what you share. So just simply tap on it and tap continue, and then these are the different information that is available in your Facebook. So you can just set all of this into only me if you want to do that. And on this part, on the most bottom part of the page, it says that who can see your friends list on your profile. So you can set it into only me, and the other one, it says that who can see the people, pages, and list you follow. So you can only set it into only me. So just simply tap onto that and set it into only me. Again, I'm just going to do that also. And then after you've done that, just tap into the next button, and after that, you can set your default audience. Your default audience is set to friends, so this will be your audience for your future posts. You can always change it for a specific post. So if you want to set that into only me, you can also do that by setting into the only me. So just tap see more, and then tap into the only me, just like so, and your stories also. And you can also limit your past posts, just like so, and then tap into the limit. So you can change who can see past posts that were public and friends, or friends to only friends, and anyone tag them in this post and their friends may still see them. So you can just do that if you want to limit the audience that who will be able to see your past posts. So just do that if you want to. I'm just going to tap into the next button again, and then you can even add person to your backlist if you want to do that. Just going to tap into next, and then review another topic. And what you can do here, if you are unsatisfied with that, is tap into how people can find you on Facebook. Just tap continue, and it says right here who can send you friend requests. So you can also tap into friends or set it to everyone. And if you want the limited option, just tap friends or friends. I'm just going to tap into the next, and then it will set you can edit the people that people with your phone number, or you can set how they can find you with your phone number or email address. Just going to tap edit. If you want to do that, you can tap no one again, tap no one also. Just going to tap next, and then it says right here that if you turn this off, your profile can still be found on Facebook if people search for your name. Or do you want search engines outside of Facebook to link to your profile? You can toggle that off or on, whatever you want. But if you want your profile to be private, or more private than it was before, just toggle that off, and then tap it to the next, and then review topic again. So basically, after doing so, your Facebook profile and then its contents will be limited to a less smaller, or the smaller audience. So that's it. That's how you can set your Facebook profile into almost private. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye bye.